Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming compatibility and securing your data. This prevents surprises. Once done, make a time machine or clone backup and verify it boots or mounts. Next, download the High Sierra installer from your App Store or Apple ID, then make a bootable USB using Terminal's Create Install Media command. You'll need an 8 GB plus drive and admin rights. This prepares you to bypass a failing online installer and gives you control over the installation sequence. Once booted from the USB installer, run disk utility and use first aid on the target drive to repair apps or HFS Plus errors, because corrupted directories often stop installs. Make sure to erase and reformat only if repairs fail. Format as apps for SSDs or Mac OS Extended, journaled for older HDDs. If the installer still stalls, reset nvram/pram and SMC to clear hardware state, then reboot to the USB installer and run the installer again. You finish by running the installer to completion, create an admin account, and immediately check software update to apply post-install patches. After the first boot, restore your files from Time Machine or use Migration Assistant so permissions and settings keep working. If the install fails again, open the installer log from Utilities to find error codes, and then try Internet Recovery or Target Disk Mode to install from another Mac. These alternatives resolve stubborn firmware or drive-level problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.